This is going to be a video product review of the Cliusnra Instant Read Meat Thermometer. It is a digital food probe thermometer for smart cooking. It is waterproof. You can drop it in the water. Everything should be fine. You can use this for barbecues, for just about anything. The temperature range is unbelievable. Let me show you some of the information that's on the box over here. There you go, foldable probe. We have the instructions over here. I'm sure you're going to want to see some of this before you make the purchase. The nice thing about this is you can calibrate this thermometer. Normally you cannot calibrate any thermometer that you purchase. So this is a wonderful product. Let me show you over here. We have the instant on-off by opening the probe over here. We also have a button over here for Celsius or Fahrenheit. It defaults to Fahrenheit, but if you press the button, it will go to Celsius. We have a hold button over here. So when you press the hold button, it will hold the temperature reading. If you press it again, it will give you the maximum reading. And if you press it again, it will give you the minimum reading. We have another button over here for a backlight. So if you are outside doing barbecue and you don't have a lot of light, you can press the button and the light will come on. This will attach to anything with a hook, and it is also magnetic over here, so you can put this against your barbecue, not while it's on, when it's cool, obviously. You can put this against your refrigerator to store it. So let me show you how this works. I will be leaving an affiliate link in the video description. Click on that link. You can purchase this today. I turned off the lighting so that it will be easier to see. When you open up the probe, look at that. Automatically, it turns on. And yes, the room temperature now is about 83 degrees. So this is very accurate. And as I said, you can calibrate this. The instructions tell you how to calibrate it. I like to use this because I love ice-cold drinks at about 29 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I have the unit on. I'm going to put it in my ice water just so you can see. This could be anything. This could be cold water, cold foods. Look at that. Look at the reading. It's already down instantly, 32.7, 32.5. So what I could do is I could press the hold button. Well, let me show you the light button. So I can press the light button and the light comes on. And the light will shut off after about 5 seconds. I can press the hold button and it will lock the temperature. Now we see the maximum temperature, which was 80.4. That was the temperature when I started. Press it again. We see the minimum temperature, 31.5. And now we continue. We're at 32 degrees. So this is wonderful for frozen drinks, frozen desserts, checking ice water. Now I'm going to show you this with heat. I'm just going to be using hot water right now, but that could be the same as if it was in hot meat, hot chicken, anything on your barbecue, anything in the oven. This is wonderful during Thanksgiving when you're cooking the turkey. We have a very long probe. You can go all the way into the bird and get the temperature to make sure it is over 165 Fahrenheit. We have a container of very warm water. Again, imagine that this is something that came out of your oven, something that is on the grill. I'm just using this to show you how awesome this thermometer is. So right now, we're at about 71.8 in the room. I'm going to show you how quick the reading is. We're in the hot water. 187 degrees. You see how it's going down a little lower. I'm going to press the button here. We have the light that I showed you before. I'm going to press the hold button. We're going to freeze it. We're frozen. Press it again. We have the minimum and we have the maximum. You saw how fast the reading is when I put it in the cold water and when I put it in the hot water. This is instant on, immediate reading on the temperature just within a couple seconds. As I showed you, we have the Celsius, or we have the Fahrenheit, we have the button for the light, we have the hold button, the minimum, the maximum, we have the hook over here, we have the magnetic section over here that will stick onto any refrigerator, we have the probe, very long probe, instant on, instant off. Push the probe in, unit turns off, pull the probe out, unit turns on. Make sure you click on that affiliate link in the video description to buy this instant read meat thermometer.